Everything you're about to see is real. Viewer discretion is advised.
We're gonna do our new spirit box experiment, and this is our galaxy cube right here. I swear I just saw it's almost like a woman just standing there, but it was in white. Hold on.
Well, you saw an actual woman?
Whoa, there it is.
But it was super spooky.
This name was borne by various Christian saints.
Do you want to explain what we're going to do real quick? Speak with volume.
Yeah, we're going to just go straight dark. We're gonna use night vision, and the new night vision on Travis's Galaxy Note.
No, let me introduce this thing real quick. Okay. The S20 Ultra actually has an infrared sensor, and it comes pre-built with the ability to shoot out a laser grid with over 300,000 points, and it measures the time it takes to hit the objects and actually return to the sensor. It's called time of flight. So it's pretty much like how the Kinect works, the same technology, but within the phone. So we're gonna be using that in conjunction with the night vision, and we're gonna do a completely dark roam. So that's how we're gonna start our night.
Change the plans. Night vision's not working, so we're gonna use the SLS with night vision on Travis's phone.
Yeah, let's do it.
So let's go.
Hold on, we're trying to test this new device. What'd you catch in there?
There's a silhouette just standing right by the door.
Okay, well, it's recording, so
Yeah.
let's go. We're gonna go full dark.
So it works.
Full dark. Yeah, we got it.
I swear I just saw it's almost like a woman just standing there, but it was in white. Hold on.
Well, you saw an actual woman?
Whoa, there it is.
What?
See to the right? Or you see to the right of this? Okay, there is a woman.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, I remember it's flipped.
Shoot.
God, you
I
scared
know.
me.
I was like, I saw a woman, dude.
You did. You're just the plastic woman. Set up the galaxy grid, bro. Let's get that nice scene set up over here where there's apparitions.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, so we're gonna set up this new experiment. It's called the galaxy grid. And we're gonna do a spirit box with it. And the galaxy grid will show any kind of silhouette that passes through. So it helps catch apparitions. We're gonna do our new spirit box experiment. And this is our galaxy grid right here. And as you can see on the camera, you can see like a silhouette in there. So anything could pass through here if we're doing an experiment, and we'll be able to see it on camera. Hey guys, we're actually gonna, Ghost Dose Bros are gonna start a spirit box.
Roger, what location are you going to use it at?
Where are we?
I don't know. We're kind of in the middle of everywhere.
We're kind of in the middle of the building by that big
Bottom
mirror.
floor.
Bottom floor.
Saddles. Saddles.
Saddles. Okay. Ready?
Yep.
For any spirits that want to communicate with us inside the heritage. What's that?
Back.
Go back.
Go back. It's like the galaxy not there or something. Is the galaxy on me? Like this main light?
On me, but I don't see you either that much.
It's on you, right?
Yeah.
Because I can pick up on you because you have a white shirt.
Oh, yeah,
You see my face at all?
Yeah.
Whoa, something's trying to talk to us. It's like... Who is it that we're communicating with right now?
How many spirits are here? I need to know, are you guys one of the railroad workers that used to work here back in the day? Yes.
Turn down just a little bit. Just sweep. Just sweep.
You can communicate through this device.
Whoa, can you hear me? Can you
Yeah.
hear me? Yeah.
Can you hear me?
What is it you're trying to tell us?
Can you say laser?
It just said, did it say laser?
It said
Grid?
laser.
I do.
So what, is it just an app or what?
Essentially, yes. It is a
It's kind of like a
software
portal, right?
download, yes.
Oh yeah, we've seen that. That was at the prison.
Stephanie had one.
Yeah, she
There.
did.
So let's turn this puppy up and set her down.
Oh, it's on your phone?
Yes, it is. I have a phone there.
I also have an EVP running, the app. So, let's see if I can. Philip.
We sure do have a lot of different devices to talk to you, don't we?
Isidro.
What is that?
I don't know.
What's the word?
Isidro.
I'll see how to spell it.
Oh, that was me.
Recordings. It's.
Whose walkie-talkie is this one?
That's mine.
Okay.
That's the bros.
was like, I have one here.
ISIDRO. Isidro.
Is that even a word?
It says, from a reduced form of the personal name of Isidro, meaning gift of Isis. This name was borne by various Christian saints, including the great encyclopedist saint.
Interesting.
Okay, so it might have some relevance.
Some
But it's also
Yeah.
interesting that came from ISIS, because ISIS
Get to
is
the microphone.
Greek.
Yeah.
Good. And we're just talking about saints.
Is that what it was? Did I do a good job figuring that out?
Oh,
Yeah, just
yeah.
replied.
Just said yeah.
Cool.
Occupied.
Occupy where?
Here.
Here, so are you down here finally? Or are you still upstairs?
Lost?
That's what it sounds like. Yeah, lost.
Tell me more about Isidro.
This
Going on.
Yeah, there is.
Light.
Yeah, there is a light on the REM pod. Is someone messing with that right now?
You can't see shit with that.
Yeah.
Movie. Yes, we are making movies.
Yeah.
You're very smart. We absolutely are making movies.
Survive? Survive what? Like what's going on here? Is there more than one of you here?
Did you survive death?
Did you survive the flood?
Can you tell me who I keep seeing in this mirror?
Plastic. Is there a lot of plastic here?
Can you see us?
I think that was the music.
Okay. It also went very quiet.
Yeah.
Can you hear us?
Boy.
We have a couple of boys here. Which one?
Can you say the name of one of the boys in this room? Or really any of us?
Reverse mode activated.
Yeah, reverse mode.
That's really cool.
Can you tell us about the flood that happened here? Yes or no?
That has to be them upstairs talking. It just got really quiet on there for some
I
reason.
feel like it's
Were you not here for the flood? Or do you not like talking about it because it was scary?
Do you feel that we're disturbing you?
here we are.
Are you afraid of us?
Stop yelling.
It's Because you're usually like sleeping by this time.
Especially if we're in a hotel. There's a bunch of people sitting in the hall yelling.
What's the name of this hotel? What's the name of the hotel? I want to speak to the owner, please. What's her name? I've never heard it be so quiet.
It's like just.
Yeah.
Where'd you go? This thing isn't going off.
Yeah, this isn't going off anymore either.
Did you go upstairs, or are you still down here with us? We're just leaving. I think they're gone.
Might have just moved to a different place.
Yeah.
Yeah, I completely agree with
Because we're
that.
not getting anything on this either.
No.
Yeah, and it's just like
It got
silent.
really, really quiet.
Yeah.
And it feels a bit different in here.
It does.
It
It
does.
just kind of feels like a space,
Uh-huh.
if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Well, we are kind of
Unoccupied.
It has like a galaxy, so we're in space.
We had to occupy it. Yeah.
All right, well,
We did get some really interesting
Yeah.
correlation between
We sure
The two,
did.
yeah.
the EVP and
Especially the, I already
What's that,
forgot the
occupy?
name.
Oh, something with an IS.
Isidro.
Isidro. Yeah, and then it said good.
Isidro.
Good.
Isidro. Are you here?
Are you hiding from us?
That was back there.
Yeah.
We probably should go back there.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay.
And Isidro is
How
a
well?
boy's name.
Yeah, I was gonna
Closing
say I think it's like a
communication.
young.
Closing communication
Child.
by.
It was the first time using the laser grid, the galaxy grid, we call it. We tended to congregate around it, and we did a couple spirit box sessions at that moment. We'll have to look through it to see if there's any visual anomalies, but we definitely picked up some really interesting stuff with the Phantasm box and the SB7, or no, it was the EVP app, and they really correlated, so we're excited to at least get that in the process. Okay.
Want to explain what we're doing?
Yeah, necrophonic. Whoa.
Dr. Louise.
Louise.
I am freezing over
Oh my
here.
god, look at those.
Dang.
Help.
Oh shit.
Dude, did you hear that?
Wait, I just heard something.
Yeah.
Me too,
Yeah.
back there.
It sounded like somebody.
No fucking.
Was that you?